You're holding a local newspaper that says 1 lakh people attended an event, but when you check a video about that same event online, the view count says 1 million. These two figures represent the same quantity, grouped under two different naming conventions, the Indian system and the American, or international system. For numbers up to 5 digits, like 10,000, both systems are identical. They use the same comma placement and the same names. The grouping logic only diverges when a number reaches 6 digits. Take this raw 8-digit number, 481-21620. Under the Indian place value system, we group digits from right to left. We place the first comma after the first 3 digits. From there, we place a new comma after every 2 digits. These commas mark our place value boundaries. We move from thousands to lakhs, then to crores, and as the numbers continue to grow, the next group is known as an Arab. Reading this left to right, we have 4 crore, 81 lakh, 21,620. Now, let's reset to the original string of 8 digits to see how the American system handles them. This rule is uniform. Starting from the right, place a comma after every 3 digits every single time. This consistent 3-digit pattern leads from thousands to millions, and eventually to billions. Following these boundaries, the number is read as 48,121,620. Apply both rules to this 10-digit number, 1020304050. How would you group it for each system? Using the Indian pattern of 3, then 2, we get 1 Arab, 2 crore, 3 lakh, 4,050. Using the American pattern of 3, 3, 3, it becomes 1 billion, 20 million, 304,050. This translation table maps the two systems directly against one another, row by row. 100,000 in the American system is the same as 1 lakh in the Indian system. Add one more zero and we reach the most common conversion point. 1 million is exactly equal to 10 lakhs. Moving up the scale again, 10 million in the American system translates to 1 crore. The total value stays constant. The only thing that changes is whether you group digits in pairs or in threes. Whether you see 1 million on a screen or 10 lakh in a headline, you are looking at the exact same count.